Today, I have three special guests with us. We're going to start out with Yaniv, who is a product manager at Monday.com. And then we're actually going to meet two brand new Monday, I don't know if I can call them employees, but two new members of the Monday CRM team. We have Lexi and Chris, who are AI agents. So Yaniv, thank you so much for joining me today. And I appreciate you taking the time to be on our YouTube channel to introduce us to these two new Monday employees, I guess, and Monday agents. Yaniv, thank you so much. Let's jump in. And I'd love if we can start off just hearing a little bit about you and about what you do at Monday.
So thank you, Tara. Very nice to meet you. I'm Yaniv. I am living in Tel Aviv. I've been a product manager for the last 8 years. And today I'm a product manager at Monday.com on the CRM team. And I'm leading the new AI sales agent we are building for sales team. And my main focus is simple, turning repetitive manual sales work into automated, reliable workflows directly inside Monday CRM.
Okay, great. Let's jump straight into the demo and let's meet Lexi and Chris.
Let's do it.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simple Day. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
So we have our new AI agents, and we have two entry points for them. From here that you can see, we have AI sales agent and we have the AI lead agent, and we can also go and meet the agents from the left pane. So let's start and activate the AI lead agent and see how it works. So when we click on the AI lead agent, we call her internally Lexi, so we can call her Lexi here as well. And we can see that the first thing she understands the ICP of your company and suggests specific leads for you. You can see the relevance of the leads here. You can see the relevance of the ICP here. You can always refine, change it, and just add your own prompt with your own words if you want to change the preview of the leads. You can do it manually. For example, if I don't want to get leads from Europe and Asia and only want leads from North America, I can just change it and refresh my leads. And then it will be refreshed automatically. And when I'm happy with the preview of the leads, I go for the next step. And then here I need to choose where I want these leads to enter inside my Monday CRM. So we need to choose a board. We need to choose a group for the leads. And we need to do a quick mapping on the fields. So the LinkedIn will go to the LinkedIn column. The company name will go to the company column. The job title to job title. I can add more. I can change it. Whatever fits my environment. And then the last step will be choose how many leads we want every day, on which time, on which days. And when I'm happy with all of that, I just confirm and activate Lexi. And then the magic starts automatically. We will see the leads entering to the board, and we will see every day the leads enter at the same time to the dedicated board that I want the leads to be. And this is the first and one of the most important things that we want to do in our top of the funnel, the SDRs, BDRs work. And then when we have the leads, we can move and do the outreach for them. So for that, we have our sales agent. We call him Chris. So with the sales agent, what you do is basically very simple. The setup is very quick. We can see here, I already set this agent, but we can see that it's very simple and quick. You choose if you want the call to come from a male or a female agent. You choose the trigger inside the board. It means when you want the agent to call your leads, you need to fill the script itself. So what you want the agent to do, how you want the agent to start the call, what do you want the agent to avoid. You can add your Calendly link with an SMS to schedule a meeting. You can add your own knowledge base about your company to give some context to the agent. And basically after that, the next step is to do some test call to make sure that you are happy with the result. When you are happy and you are set, you can just make the calls. How it works, I choose the trigger. This is mine for numbers, just for the demo. So I choose the trigger to change when you change the status to call outreach, call me. So let's see it in live. I'm changing now the status. The agent start working, and here's the call. It's a
We
blur
can't hear Paul,
screen.
but we hear it.
Yeah,
Oh, now
yeah,
we
yeah.
can see it. Okay.
Let's answer. Hello.
Hello, this is Chris. Hi, this is Chris speaking. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I appreciate you taking the time to speak with me. Before we dive in, could you tell me a bit about how your team currently manages your sales process? For example, how do new leads enter your system and how do your reps
Hey, it's
track
okay.
follow-up?
I cannot talk right now. Can you please send me an SMS with a Calendly link that we can continue talking
One
with an
moment.
agent?
Absolutely. The link I sent will let you schedule a meeting with one.
Yeah, so we just saw an example for that. We saw that the agent understand the need based on my script, and she also sent me the SMS link to continue the conversation with some sales agent. And also, we can see now the transcript very easily. So first of all, you can click on the item itself, and then you will see here all the call summaries inside your timeline. It's also connected to the CRM ecosystem, and we can go and see the full summary of the call with the transcript itself. We can hear the call, we can ask questions about the call, we can see the overview, and it's live inside our Monday CRM ecosystem.
Thank you, Yaniv, so much for that quick demo. And it's really cool to be able to see how you can have, on the one hand, an AI agent finds leads for you based on who your ideal customer profile is. And then on the other hand, you can actually have an agent call people, set up meetings, or even send text messages. So let's just zoom out for a second. What was missing in the sales process that you felt that this needed to be developed?
It's a great question. So I wouldn't say the sales process itself was broken. It's more about how it was executed. So SDRs and BDRs are supposed to build relationship and create opportunities. And in reality, they spend a huge chunk of their day on operational busy work, switching tools, cleaning data, and running repetitive steps. And we are trying to remove this friction. The goal is to let them focus on what they do best, judgment, context, and human conversations.
And we still see like a lot of teams are just working together to stitch all their different tools to connect all to find leads. So are you trying to completely take this off people's plate? What's your goal here with Lexi?
So I think the biggest pain point is context switching. SDRs are constantly jumping between search tools, data providers, other tools. It's taking a lot of time for them. And with our lead agent, with Lexi, the entire flow happens in one place. So finding leads, enrich them, it's all happen inside Monday CRM. And the reps stay focused on actual sales work while the agent do the heavy lifting in the background. And it's very convenient.
So basically, once Lexi finds the leads, then Chris is the one that calls them. How come you decided to split this into two different agents and not have one agent?
So we realized that not every team need the full flow. So some teams already have their leads and just want the agent to handle the calls. Others want the lead agent to help generate and enrich leads, but they prefer to keep the outreach human. So by splitting it into two agents, we give teams the flexibility to adapt what actually fits their processes. It keeps each agent focused and give our customer full control. And this was why we decided.
And just to confirm, the data that you're pulling is only from LinkedIn based on the ICP?
Yeah, so no, we are taking the data from many places, not only LinkedIn. It's working behind the scenes with the different providers, and yeah, it's a lot of places.
How do you make sure that Chris, who's calling prospects for you, that he, I guess, sticks to your script? And I could see people being worried like that they're using an AI agent and not having a real human person calling someone. Like, how do you ensure that the teams feel confident using Chris?
So control was a core design principle for us on day one. Team defines the script, the goal of the call, and all the boundaries. And every single interaction is logged, and the users can review the recordings and transcript at any time. So teams actually gain more visibility and confidence than they typically have with manual processes. So basically, they even have more control.
So after every call, like we saw, we have the full transcript and all of the the information is saved within Monday. Why was this level of visibility so important to you guys?
So because visibility builds trust. And if AI is performing work for you, you need to see exactly how it's happening and not just the results. And transcripts and the recordings enable team to review every interaction for quality assurance. And while summaries help them move quickly without losing context, and together it's bring the trust they need.
And right now, I know that these AI agents are new to Monday, but who do you think that they're good for? Like, what type of companies could benefit from using Chris and Lexi?
Yeah, so it's a great question. I think that they're a great fit for teams with a clear ICP, ideal customer profile, also repeatable outbound motion, especially lean SDR teams that want to scale fast without adding ad counts. But I truly think it can be fit for all sales teams with the specific use cases.
Well, thank you so much for sharing this demo with us today. And this looks like a really amazing new addition to the Monday CRM. I'm excited to see what future updates we have after this is launched and how the customers are using it, because I think obviously this is where the world is going in terms of AI and AI agents. And for me, it's really nice to see how Monday's integrating this so much into the platform and really, I would say, pushing the envelope on the creativity here, that instead of having a separate platform where we can do this, it's directly within Monday, which I think is an amazing feature. So thank you so much for taking the time to share this with us. And we're excited to see what the next steps of Chris and Lexi.
Thank you, Tara.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.